Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve RAM 3111 square plus 2889 square is given without using calculator. So let's start with the today's video and start the solution. So 3011 we can write it as 3000 plus 111 square plus 2889 we can write it as 3000 minus 111 square. Now we know the rule that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. If I add both the equation, then it looks like a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equals to 2a square, and this will, if I'll add 2ab minus 2ab is 0 plus 2b square. If I'll take 2 common, that is a square plus b square. So if I'll compare this, so I can take it as 3000 as A and 111 as B. Similarly, 3000 as A and minus 111 as B. So I am going to replace this with twice of A square plus B square. So 2, A is 3000, so 3000 square plus B is 111 square. Now, 3000 square is 9 and then 0 square, 3 zeros become 60 plus 111 square is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now, if I'm add it, so 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And if I multiply it, I get 1, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like it, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.